Hi, I'm Christy with WTI, and I want to share with you something you might need this summer if you have your own garage sale. This right here is a cash box, and it locks. So it comes with 2 keys. You open it up and you have a compartment in here with dividers where you can store cash and coins, and then lift that off and there's a larger compartment that you can store other things in as well. But for us, this cash box is gonna serve many purposes. So if I have a garage sale, my kids also wanna take a try at having their own lemonade stand so they can use this to keep their cash safe. But also my son just really wanted his own lockbox to store his own allowance money in, and then he's got a few valuable things like some Pokemon cards that have been graded and are worth a little bit of money, so he wanted to put them in a safe place. And also I think my kids just like the idea of having something that they can keep everyone else out of. So lots of different uses we have for this. It's very practical, especially if you host vendor events or you do a garage sale in the summer. You should pick this up, then you don't have to worry about walking away or helping customers, anything like that. So that's my point of view.